So right now I have a bachelor's degree in piano performance and I'm working on my master's degree. When I was younger, it was really important for me to listen to music that inspired me and then to be able to recreate that. Music it's a language that everybody understands. The faculty at BYU, they have really tailored their teaching to my needs, which has helped me feel like I am wanted here. And since the new music building has opened, the resources available to me as a musician has really helped me progress. They really care about where I'm going and my personal growth. I've started noticing that other piano teachers using Piano Marvel, but to me it felt like something way out of my comfort zone, so I didn't really dive into it until the UMTA State Conference. Piano Marvel really helps solve notes and rhythm issues. They will learn their notes so much faster than what I can do in a piano lesson for them. I really think the first thing you notice when you get on Piano Marvel is just the sheer amount of music, and it's so diverse. Piano Marvel keeps the students engaged and interested in the music that they're playing. Piano Marvel really highlights where you need to work, but also where you're doing quite well. I think it's a wonderful resource for teachers. Piano Marvel has really influenced the way I teach my intermediate teenage students. These students are a lot more engaged and they learn a lot faster than how I previously taught them. You can upload any music to Piano Marvel and allow your students to practice, and the ability for them to learn any piece that they want. And that is so exciting for a student.